Unlock the secret to supercharging your Amazon FBA business by building direct relationships with your sellers. Are you new to Amazon FBA and looking to go beyond the basics? Today, we're diving deep into how to connect directly with sellers to dramatically improve your FBA game. This isn't just about selling. It's about building a more efficient, effective, and profitable FBA business. Step 1 is understanding your product's origin. When you first send your inventory to Amazon FBA, you're likely working with a supplier. Your first point of connection is with them. Log into your supplier's communication portal or email them directly if you're sourcing from a manufacturer. This is your primary contact. Step 2, clearly communicate your needs when you reach out. Be specific. State your Amazon FBA account name, your seller ID, and the ASINs of the products you're sourcing. Clearly mention you are an FBA seller and what your sales volume looks like. This helps them understand your scale and requirements. Step 3, ask about their FBA readiness. Direct sellers can often accommodate specific packaging needs, labeling requirements, or even prep services that are crucial for FBA. Ask questions like, do you offer Amazon FBA labeling? Or can you ship directly to specific Amazon fulfillment centers? Step 4, establish a communication cadence. Don't just connect once. Decide on a regular check-in method. Why Euro, be it weekly emails, a dedicated portal, or even a quick phone call. This ensures you're always in the loop about inventory levels, production times, and any potential delays. Step 5, build trust and long-term relationships. When you find a reliable seller willing to work with your FBA operations, nurture that connection. Good communication, timely payments, and clear feedback foster loyalty, leading to better pricing, priority service, and ultimately, a smoother FBA journey. By connecting directly with your sellers, you gain a powerful advantage: better service, faster fulfillment, and a more predictable inventory pipeline. This proactive approach is key to scaling your Amazon FBA business efficiently. Start building those valuable seller relationships today.